I'm going to run through the routine that we did at Fiddles Feet Beat on the 24th of November 2018 to Wee Kwesi's, a tune by Amy Geddes. So I'll dance the routine through first, and then I'll walk it through slowly and just talk about some of the things that we talked about on the day and some ideas for what to do with it, and then I'll dance it through again. So here we go, Wee Kwesi's. We'll just start with the strathspey. So the first half of the strathspey, and this is the step that we're doing. Kick, tap, tap, kick, tap, tap. Once you're comfortable with the basic shape of that step, we can add it in the heel as we hammered. Keeping your heel nice and light and your back taps nice and light. And then touching the toe before we step forward. Just get this nice and view. So that really ties in really well with the sounds of the first part of the tune. And we're going to do 3 of those, and then when the tune breaks into its triplet part, da ba da ba ba da da, we're going to just do 2 toes in front padabas. So it looks like this. Now from there we can actually just kick out with our left leg. I didn't do this on the day, but it would be a nicer change to make it symmetrical. So then we repeat by going, so the first half. And that's the first half. If you wanted to match the triplet more closely, instead of doing, you could do this. And that's a step I use really often to end steps. Just a little triplet change. You can do it a step by itself. So if you were doing that, then the first part would look like this. Then the second part, we're going to use this step where we kick and hit, 1, 2, kick. And again we can catch the heel and the toe. And you can double up on these middle sounds here. we're going to do one of those. And then there's a point in the tune where the intensity really builds with some even beats. We're going to mirror that with our feet. So we're going to go like this. So we just repeat those toes. Then kicking out on the other side. And then we could either just do another one of those steps to finish, or we could go back and, as the tune does, pick up the last phrase of the first part again, so that we go back to that step, which is kind of a nice way of just reflecting what the tune's doing, that those patterns between the two parts. So, once through the strathspey looks like this. So lots of ideas in there. Obviously none of this is set in stone, so anything you want to change or move or think about, just using the ideas really that we talked about. So then we go into the reel. So this version of the recording doesn't have that really clear reel phrase at the end of the strathspey. So we talked about going from strathspey 1, 2, 3, 4 into reel. What we're going to do here is we'll do it with this step first, and on the other side. So it's a nicer fit with the first half really. So we'll do it like this. It might be the opposite way around to how I danced it in the demo, sorry. So that step will fill the first half. You can either do taps on the end of your basics, or you could do a shuffle every other one, just to make it sound a bit more fluid. And then for the second half, on the day we just did some basics, either just tap, tap, or with a lift in them. So we're doing a hop, tap at the end. If you wanted, a really good step to substitute would be this step. That's a really nice fit with the second half because it mirrors the long note at the beginning of the phrases in the second half. So, through the reel, dance again with my back to you through the strathspey twice and the reel twice. Here we go. wee routine. Obviously, as you can see from my failure at the beginning of the reel, a lot of the time I'm not really thinking like that of what step am I going to do. I'm just really dancing much more fluidly to the music, but it's good to get some ideas of what fits and to work on listening to tunes and thinking what stands out in the tune and how could I reflect that or contrast with it with the steps, and just taking that approach of the dance as being really part of the music. So have fun with it and enjoy, and thanks for dancing. Thanks.